Welcome back to BN Network, reporting to you live from downtown Brookhaven over at the mall. Or plaza. Because, well, we tore down the old mall. Anyways, well, it's a beautiful 73 degrees outside with a dew point of 50 and a precipitate and a wind gust at 12 miles an hour. It's a beautiful day. The Brookhaven City Medical Center states that the pollen levels are at low, but they will increase to higher or higher levels. So sensitive people are advised to stay indoors and such, and limit outdoor activity for now.
This can't be the end.
We interrupt your regular programming. This is a global emergency. Important details and information will follow. Do not use the telephone. Telephone line should be kept open for emergency use only. This information will be brought to you as soon as it becomes available. This is BN Network. If you are not in this area, tune to stations providing news and information for your local area. We will continue providing news and information for this area. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Brookhaven Military Department of Defense and Homeland Security, and Steel Leaf Private Research Facility number 176. The Brookhaven City Police Department have gotten reports that an irreversible disaster has happened, the hanging of Sayori. At this time, all residents of Brookhaven are advised to evacuate, as the Brookhaven City Nuclear Power Station will undergo a level Sayori meltdown. A level Sayori meltdown means that the power plant will slowly melt down to the point where it's unrepairable and you're required to evacuate. Copious amounts of radiation and fallout are deadly to those who are caught. This ain't Brookhaven, this is Connersville. Why? Oh, anyways. I wonder where Grandpa's at. Probably nowhere.
Well, it's too late for him tonight, though.
Anyways, as the time passes and Sayori succumbs to asphyxiation, the temperature will drop to deadly frigid temperatures. Thousands of feet of snow are expected to fall. In the next few hours, our sun, a K-type orange dwarf, because this is an alternate dimension, will grow to a ginormous size, engulfing 3 of the many planets that are in our.
The sermons are behind me, the songs are behind me. It was an apple. I'm gonna come to this side and see if anybody has ever felt this way before. They are looking at me like they are
in our star system.
They are winning medals and getting ready.
Once the star undergoes a magnificent supernova, the supernova will produce a black hole that will that will suck all matter up into the hole and shape all matter into noodle-like shapes, known as spaghettification. You have 537,227,552,630 seconds, minutes, hours, days, weeks, months, years, decades, centuries, and millenniums to evacuate. Failure to evacuate will result in death. Repeating, failure to evacuate will result in death or spaghettification depending on how long you survive. The frigid temperatures and snow will kill off most, so it's highly unlikely that you'll be able to survive that. But if you do manage to survive that, then you will be spaghettified by the black hole produced by our star's supernova.
Spaghettified?
That's the process called spaghettification. Basically, a black hole turns you into a piece of spaghetti, a spaghetti noodle, essentially. Everything Indians and all other forces will be coming to help with evacuation procedures. Evacuation is necessary for your survival. Repeating. Evacuation is necessary for your survival. Thank you for paying close attention to this message. When evacuating, bring all essential supplies, such as non-perishable food, drinks, medical supplies, clothing, flashlights, and anything else you want to bring with you or need to bring with you, as once you evacuate, you will not be able to come back. To evacuate, take the following routes: Interstate 227, Interstate 347, Interstate 567, Interstate 555 North, Interstate 335, Interstate 460, Interstate 65 West, Interstate 45 North, Interstate 667 West, Interstate 337 South, and Highway 121, Highway 257, Highway 131, Highway 331, Highway 221, Highway 581, Highway 591, Highway 1121, Brookhaven 3, Brookhaven 47, Brookhaven 96, Brookhaven 57, and Brookhaven 99. Any other evacuation routes may be taken, but these are the best for evacuation. Evacuate now. Repeating, evacuate now. If you cannot evacuate, local authorities and military personnel will help you evacuate.
But he who began a good work in you, now feel my preacher. He who began.
Okay, I don't believe that for a second. I don't even know why that's a thing, but
So if it's not good, God's not good.
That's just.
He said, I'll bring you to an expected end. So if his purpose isn't finished yet for this situation, it is not the end. Move it to the middle. I'm talking about the thing.
But if that's the case, and I have to evacuate, then whatever. That is not my problem.
You can't rejoice. I'm talking about the thing that has blurred your vision and fogged your faith. I'm talking about the thing that has beat you into submission. The thing that's got you tied up in knots. You've been treating it like.
But I guess I'll follow through with the evacuation orders because I'm required to evacuate. I don't see anyone else evacuating, so I'm assuming it's not that big of a deal. I don't really understand why. But that's okay. It's whatever. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine.
You will not die in this wilderness. You will not go down in this state. For there is a burning bush with your name on it. Moses.
The Thank you, passengers. Dear passengers, we are currently on the last Brookhaven Airways flight from Brookhaven International Airport. All passengers are advised to put on their seatbelts as we will be going through takeoff procedures immediately. This is a dire emergency, and we are the last aircraft that is allowed to evacuate citizens. We only have 24 hours and 48 minutes before the supernova begins. The star is currently 336 kilometers wide and 556,128 kilometers tall. This star is expected to undergo a huge, beautiful, but deadly supernova in 24 hours and 48 minutes. We are currently undergoing a takeoff, so please be patient. Thank you for flying Brookhaven Airways. We will be going into space to view the supernova from a safe distance, so you could see the spaghettification of matter in the black hole. Thanks for flying with us. Bing boom. Damn. I guess that's it. Alright. Guess I'm gonna, I do want to view the supernova. I actually do want to view it. That would be cool. Seeing a supernova. Turbulence. Nothing too bad. Welcome, passengers. We are currently flying in space, and we are about to see the supernova of our orange dwarf star. That was the supernova that you just witnessed. That was a very beautiful supernova, I have to admit. But now we're going to watch the spaghettification of the whole system. Because every single planet is about to get sucked up. So we can't really be anywhere near the black hole. Because that black hole has a gravitational force of 335 gajillion. And we can only take 120 million gravitational, 120 million tops. So yeah, that black hole, it's going to suck us up if we don't get out of here. So we're getting out of here. Thank you for flying Brookhaven Airways. We will get back to you. We will get back to you shortly. Bing! Boom! All passengers, we just undergone a power outage inside the aircraft. Oh, good. Power outage? How is that possible? We are currently crash landing. We will be landing on the Earth shortly. Wait, we're landing on Earth? Are you kidding me? This is just gonna... No, this is the real Earth. No, wait. The power's back online. We can finally go to Alpha Centauri. Wait, we're going to Alpha Centauri? Yes, Bacon, we're going to Alpha Centauri. Isn't that almost like 4.5 light years away from us? Why would we go to a distant star system when we could just land on on Mars or the moon or something? Well, that's not our decision. That's the pilot's decision. And you're gonna follow through, or we're gonna throw you off into space where you belong, Bacon. Quit complaining, or we're gonna kill you. Okay, jeez, I'll stop complaining. Jeez. Well, I guess I'm gonna eject myself. Bacon, please don't do that. Your life is worth it to us. But why are we in space to begin with? We could have just got spaghettified. Here, let me fly into the black hole real quick. No, Bacon, don't fly into the black hole. Don't fly into the black hole. Don't fly into the black hole. Critical altitude, critical altitude, critical altitude. Approaching black hole, approaching black hole. We'll be arriving in the black hole shortly. No, don't turn around, go to the black hole, I feel the forces pulling us in. The back of the plane just got spaghettified. That's not good. Get off. I feel myself getting pulled into the black hole. Yeah. I got off before I got spaghettified. Where is everything? I'm the only thing that survived the spaghettification of the whole universe. Alright, I'm gonna try and pretend that there's nothing left. Oh my goodness. There is nothing left. There was just nothing left of this entire town. Jeez. Well, guess that's why you don't fly a plane into a black hole. Why would you fly into a black hole? I don't fucking know. But, yeah.